Israeli PM reiterates pledge to annex Jordan Valley. US blames Iran for attacking Saudi oil facilities. EU attack on Saudi oil facilities threat to security. OIC emergency meeting starts in Jeddah. Turkish and US military chiefs discuss Syria safe zone. Turkish army destroys seized explosives in North Iraq. Delivery of second S-400 battery parts to Turkey completed. Tunisians head to polls to elect new president. Somali military kills at least 10 Al-Shabaab militants. Uzbekistan to become full member of Turkic Council. Afghans on edge of landmark presidential polls. Russia and Taliban hold talks in Moscow.